In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an Instagram business profile in Taggbox. First, log into your Taggbox account and open your dashboard. Next, click on Create Feed and select Instagram from the available platforms. After that, click on Connect Instagram. You'll be redirected to log in to your Instagram account. Make sure you log in using an Instagram business or creator account that is connected to a Facebook page, since Taggbox uses meta permissions for access. Once you log in, authorize Taggbox to access your Instagram account by clicking Allow. After successful connection, your Instagram business profile will be linked to Taggbox, and you can start pulling posts, reels, hashtags, mentions, and more. Finally, click Create Feed to import your Instagram content into your Taggbox dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully added an Instagram business profile in Taggbox. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.